Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery. Welcome to today's 5 Minute Friday, and today I have a fantastic Alstroemeria in front of me. Now, you might not know these plants, but to be honest, you'll often see them as cut flowers. You'll see them all over the place. They have this very delicate look about them, but this particular range, and this one is Duke Charles, which is a fantastic variety, is actually really hardy. So this will grow in the garden with no issues at all, and certainly will grow in this container with no issues at all. So I'm just going to plant this container up. As with lots and lots of plants like this, drainage is going to be your key through the winter. It will die back through the winter in most places, but make sure you put it in a compost that is well drained. So if you've got very claggy soil or something like that, mix in a bit of compost, mix in a bit of grit, a bit of bark, anything that's going to help that water fall through, because if the roots sit too wet, that's when you lose it. It won't be the cold. Okay, so what I've done is put that, as we've said, well-drained multi-purpose compost in there. I've got some extra perlite in there. I don't know whether you can see the white bits in there. That's perlite, which helps the water drain through. And I'm just going to plant it up. So I've already done a little bit of it. I've left the compost just shy of the top, so the plant will sit like this. Now it might look a little bit too big for this, but this will soon fill this. These, when they get going, these are nice, quick growing plants, and we want them to grow and spread, because from here is where you're going to get all the lovely flowers. So what I'll do, I think the best thing to do is actually fill it up just like that, about 9 centimetres from the top, then remove the plant from the pot, like by giving the pot a good squeeze. Nice lot of root there, makes it always harder to get it out. And then we'll just place it on there, because it's quite a tall plant. Sometimes they fall over. We've done all right there. And then, if I move it a bit closer, we're just going to top it up. Just like that. It's as simple as that. As I've said in many videos, don't compact the compost too much. Just let it sit in there. If you're concerned that it's going to sink, you can always tap it down. And you probably wouldn't have seen from the video, but that sank quite a bit. So it was almost on the top and then sank about that much, and then we just top it up again. Simple as that. It's nice and easy. Now you can follow those tips and do exactly the same, putting it straight into a border with no issues at all. But now, if it's in a pot, give it a good water, or if it's in the ground as well, give it a good water. You almost can't overwater it at this stage, so give it a good water, leave it for a couple of seconds, wait till that's sunk in, and repeat the process until you start getting water come out the base of the pot. It's as simple as that. So definitely check out these Alstroemerias. It will surprise a lot of people that they are seriously hardy. So you don't have to worry about overwintering, this range in particular. So check them out. And obviously, if you've got any questions about planting them up, get in contact. See you soon.